Oh, hello guys. This is Buick enclave 2012. I was removing my amplifier because I was getting not getting sound on my radio, speakers, everything. So the problem was the amplifier. It was leaking. I was getting a leaking. Uh, from outside to inside the amplifier. These kind of cars, they always get a leak from here, guys, to the top, and travel all the way inside here, down there, over there, and they go inside the car, and then go through the amplifier everywhere. So now I need to buy a new one because, like you can see, guys, was full of water right there. Look like very damaged, so I guess it's time to buy a new one. These kind of cars, Buick Enclave 2012, they always leak from the top, so you have to buy a silicone and apply it all the way to the top from outside all the way down there, guys. So they're gonna solve the problem. Hopefully you can do it before you get that leak. And to remove this amplifier from down here, it's a little complicated, but there's a lot of guys, they have a lot of very good videos to show how to do it. Me, in my case, I was using these kind of tools. I'm gonna show you right now a little quick what it is. Right, no, that one, what it is, the short one. Let me see, no, that one, no, this one. Okay, I found something was very useful for me. I can see it right now. Well, anyways, guys, there's a lot of guys with a very nice video there. So hopefully, guys, you can solve your problem if you have the same kind of problem like me. Thank you. Bye bye.